Hi, welcome to Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to open a bank account in Barclays Bank without going any branch, without visiting any place, at your home online. So without wasting more time, let's begin. Thanks for stay tuned. I have an announcement for you. Our channel is doing a giveaway of Sony wireless earphone. You can participate in this giveaway by following 3 steps. Step number 1, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Step number 2, give your feedback in comment section. Step number 3, watch this video till end without skip. So let's come to the point. How to create Barclays Bank account online without visiting branch. So first of all, if you have an Android phone, then go to the Play Store, and if you have an iPhone, then go to the App Store and search their Barclays Bank application. Download this application and install it. After installation process, you can see the interface of this application. Now as you can see on the screen, I already download this Barclays application. So please search there Barclays. Barclays Bank application I already downloaded, so I recently opened this application. As you can see, this application is showing in Play Store. I click on open. Then you can see that this is the application of Barclays mobile banking application. Click on OK and allow all permissions of this application. As you can see, my internet connection is something slow, but I scroll down there and there is an option of accept all and merge data preference. So I click on accept all. Now you can see that there is a 2 option, register for application and I am a new to Barclays. So click on I am new to Barclays. After this, there is a 2 options of apply for a current account. We have asked you to verify your identity for your business application. There is a 2 option. So click on top option, apply for a current account. So click on it. As you can see, there is a many types of accounts. You can select your accounts as your preference. So click on choose an account. What you will get, don't have a bank account with us, apply in minutes. Handy access to Barclays app, safe and secure, and so click on choose an account. There is a many types of account. As you can see, everyday banking, Barclays bank account, and also there is a premier banking. You can see there is a something product details of here, and we can also create many bank accounts. So there is a everyday banking account and also student banking, and you also get your debit card in student banking application. But there is a term, you need to be almost 18 and 18 over, and there is a also basic banking. So I want to open a everyday banking account, so click on full details. After it, as you can see, there is a are you eligible to be 18 or over, pass our credit check. So scroll down, I am doing scroll down. As you can see, there is something term and conditions about it. You can read it. After reading all term and condition of this application, you have to click on view document. You can check out their document, and I am clicking on apply this. So click on apply, and you have something details just like your photo ID card, passport. For your identification, you can use your passport, your driving license of UK, UE, and also UEE. And also you can use UE and EEA national ID cards and UK biometric residence permit. And you also have a current account UK address, and there is a UK mobile number. So click on OK, get started. As you can see, there is a 3 steps. Step number 1, setup. Step number 2, identity, and step number 3, account opening. So click on continue. After it, you have to set a password to this application. So I am a set up a password just like 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is a really very simple. There is a something problem, passcode too simple as a secure passcode, one is that too difficult to replacement. Okay, so I am creating a something difficult password just like so I created a something difficult password. You have to re-enter your password for your confirmation. So now I created this new password for this. Submitting information, please wait a moment for this. We have set your passcode, so click on next. After your passcode process, click on next. There is something term and condition, please read it. Without reading term and condition, please don't open a bank account with anybody bank. So I already read this all term and condition. You can also check out this term and condition. So scroll down. After scrolling down, you can decline this term and condition and go out, quick out, and there is also agree and continue. So click on agree and continue. After this, you can see your privacy and personal data something term and condition privacy policy. I already read this privacy policy and I am clicking on continue. You can also read it. After, you have to enter a greeting. So I am doing something greeting. So I am A B C D. As you can see, I greeted almost ABCD. You can also you can also make your greet just like your favorite songs, your favorite film, your favorite food, your favorite quote. But don't like their passport, DOB or and something personal details. So I already greeted one ABCD and after it said greeting. So as you can see, your greeting is saved and you have to next moment. Please tell us your UK mobile number. So please register your UK mobile number with this application. So as you can see, there is a something process of mobile number. After entering your mobile number, you have to enter your text code. Enter the text code we texted to you. There is something you can check out. A verification code was sent to your mobile number, and so I am doing a verification of this. So I received code 258063. So I enter this code. As you can see, there is something problem with the application. We already incorrect data. Please make sure you're entering the code exactly. So they are speaking about asking me about the code. So I am clicking on next. Okay, and I am entering my code written. So now please verify your identity. By your identity card, you can use your national ID card. You can also use your passport, your driving license. So I am clicking on passport and I am here submitting my passport photo to verify my account online. So after verification of my passport, you have to enter your UK mobile address and also make sure you are living there almost since 3 years. After this all process, please verify your personal details and click on continue. So now your application is ready for review. Please submit this application for review. While your application will be reviewed, after it you will get your account number immediately and your passport, and also you will receive your debit card by post. So friends, now you have to enter your some personal details just like your address and etc. So after this all process, your application will be reviewed. You will receive your account number after completing reviewing process from bank. Then you will receive your ATM card at your home address. I hope that you really enjoyed this video and this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Jai Bharat.